Hello friends, in the previous video we discussed about add and replace array operations using in place array element structure. Today we will continue on it and we will go for more operations, like if you want to work on multiple operations in place array structure, you can use like add array element. As you see over here, just connect the input array over here, because the input string for this index array is again the same, and over here you just create control. Over here it is the index 2, so with which function you want to perform operation, just drag and drop the operation. Like I want to multiply the given operation with some value, let's say 25, or you can also create a control over here. Okay, so just connect it, and over here I just got the output. This is my output 3. Output 3. Okay, so let's check the output. So over here I want to, let's say, work on 2. So when you hit on run button over here, this is my input, 23, 23, 23. So I just delete this part because it is not required right now. Control B. Over here this is indexing, this is input value. Just clear the wire, clean up wire. So it is my output. So as you see, so first one worked on this one on third value 0 1 2 3. Okay, so 8 64, it becomes 64, and in the next one it is again 8, because we are working on, in this case, on the second value. The second value is 65, and 65 into 23 will become 1495, as you see. And if you want to perform multiple operations like on the given indexing value, let's say I want to just subtract values, so I just delete this one. I just use subtraction. I want to perform 3, the value at the indexing 3 minus value 2. Okay, so let's say connect this, and the output goes to this, and also into this. Both give the same value. So let's run it. As you see, because when you perform on first one, it will give 60. Again over here in the indexing 3 we have 0 1 2 3 8. 8 minus 65, it is 57. So output 2 give you the value at third value, and this will give you the value at second value. So this is how you can work with in place structure in LabVIEW. You can add more operations inside it. Let's say this one, you can use this also. So this is how we can work out with in place structure in LabVIEW for the add and replace operations. So thank you.